Shiba Inu coin is bouncing beautifully off of some levels of support over the last couple of hours, and I believe that these gains can absolutely continue on. Actually, I believe that these gains can get a lot better, not just for Shiba Inu coin, but for all meme coins out there, and that's what we're going to be talking about in this video, because we've got Shiba Inu coin right now being compared to the overall movement in meme stocks. If you guys weren't here in 2021, this is exactly what we saw happening in 2021. And that's why I believe that it could lead to massive gains in Dogeverse. Guys, if you have missed out on the Dogeverse pre-sale up until now, you absolutely need to pay attention to this video because there's going to be a lot of money made in the coming days, weeks, and months. And I absolutely hope that you guys are there to make some of it along with me. Now, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? As you can see, we've got Dogeverse on the screen right now. We're going to be talking about Dogeverse in a second here, but I just want to welcome everybody to the chat and to the comments and to the video. I am Claybro, so if you're brand new to the channel or if you're not sure who I am, welcome. Very, very glad to have you in here. Give me a little hi down in the comments below. Let's get to know each other. But Shiba Inu coin bouncing beautifully off these levels of support. Now, if you pull out to a daily chart, you can still see that Shiba Inu coin is focusing on that descending triangle, but it is trying its best to break out of this level right now. It is still up on the day. It is still green on the day, and meme coins could be surging alongside meme stocks. So I do want to talk about that here because meme stocks are absolutely taking the spotlight right now with AMC and GameStop staging a huge comeback following the return of Roaring Kitty. If you guys missed it, Roaring Kitty posted for the first time in years out on his X account, and that is what's driving the recent gains. The article reads, top 3 meme coin price predictions with Dogecoin, Shiba Inu coin, and Bonk. Memes wipe out gains from the GameStop rally. Meme coins right now are being referenced to GameStop and AMC stock. I'm not going to go through the entirety of this article, but you can see that Dogecoin is adding with 76% of all wallets sitting on unrealized gains. Shiba Inu coin sweeping liquidity down to that 2,200 point per coin level, bouncing off that support, and now rising up to 2,300 to 2,400 points per coin. And even Bonk, even though they say that it might be giving up some of its recent gains, even Bonk is looking good. Guys, it is gearing up to be meme coin mania. If you were not here in 2021, let me just give you a little bit of a brief update on what happened. AMC and GameStop revolutionized the investing scene. Roaring Kitty, this entire idea of a retail squeeze based simply on memes, led the way and led into the segue for Dogecoin, Shiba Inu coin, and all of these other meme coins to thrive in the market that they are currently in. Now, with meme coins as popular as they are, if we truly are gearing up for another meme coin rally, what we could end up seeing here is Dogeverse leading the way. Why? Dogecoin, Shiba Inu coin are already very, very saturated. They have huge market caps, but Dogeverse is gearing up to launch soon. And because of that, it is going to be launching with a very, very low market cap compared to great coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu coin. Now, you guys should know by now that the lower the market cap, the higher the potential. Think about it. If Shiba Inu coin is going to be reaching a $20 billion market cap, you might see what? A 20% increase in its price? If Dogeverse were to reach a $20 billion market cap, you'd probably be seeing a 500x increase in its price. The sheer fact that the market cap alone is going to be so small upon launch is going to lend to the risk, but it's also going to lend to the reward. Now, if you guys are interested in buying 62 Ethereum worth, you're going to be walking away with 563 million Dogeverse. Now, I say 62 Ethereum because that's exactly what the whales are doing. Okay, recently a whale came in and bought 62.3 Ethereum worth of Dogeverse, $191,000 worth of Dogeverse in a single transaction. Guys, people don't invest that type of money without believing in seeing the potential in a project. These guys are stacking Dogeverse hand over fist, and they are ready for what could be one of the biggest meme coin launches this year. Now, why do I say that? Because this isn't just any ordinary meme coin. This is a meme coin with real-world utility. Dogeverse, not only can you buy it on the Ethereum blockchain, you can buy it with BNB, Matic, Avalanche, Base, and Solana as well. Not only can you buy it with those tokens, you can claim on any of those blockchains as well. Dogeverse is a multi-chain, multi-bridge utility. You are going to be able to bridge your tokens from your top 6 favorite blockchains. And if you're not familiar with what a bridge is, it is very, very easy to use. Simply select your original token. Let's say you want to move some Ethereum over to some Solana USDC coin. It is that easy to bridge blockchains and swap tokens with a single click of a button. That is what Dogeverse is setting up to do here, which is why the demand could absolutely rip through the roof. So let's think about this for a second. And while you're thinking, check out the staking rewards. 58% annualized interest for doing nothing but staking Dogeverse. So if we're thinking about this, we've got a potential meme coin rally happening or meme stock rally happening on the stock market right now. If this turns into the same level of excitement that we saw back in 2021, we should expect gains in the meme coin market to rally as well, similarly to what we saw back in 2021. And if you guys remember anything, it was the meme coins, it was the small caps, it was the brand new tokens out there that ran the most. That's got me excited about what Dogeverse could do. Now, full disclosure, I've bought into Dogeverse. And I've bought into Dogeverse what I would consider pretty heavy. No, I am not that 62 Ethereum purchase out there, but I do believe that I could see major gains in Dogeverse, and I believe that you could as well. Now, what we have to deal with is launch day volatility. If this token launches and people panic sell, there's going to be some dip buying opportunities. But if this token launches and people are willing to hold true, if people are willing to see this bridge utilized, Dogeverse could be launching at a time when meme stocks and meme coins are rallying to new highs, and that is going to inspire the market to be greedy. It's going to inspire the market to be excited, and it's going to inspire the market to FOMO, which means that we could see ridiculous returns on Dogeverse. Now, yes, I am very excited. I want to know down in the comments below if you guys are excited. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.